Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Metamask wallet, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Metamask wallet and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Metamask wallet on in the screen, where you can see the exchange icon at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option. And now you can see lots of options over here. So you need to select sell, which is at the second, and just down below on the sell you can see sell crypto for cash. So just tap on that option, and now you'll be redirected to the another section where you can see change cash destination. Just tap on it and just click on debit or credit and complete your banking credentials, and you'll be able to withdraw successfully. But for now you can see no tokens available. So another way is by going to the exchange, and you can see the send option, and just down below on the send you can see send crypto to any account. So simply tap on the send, and now you can see here it is asking us for our wallet address. So simply enter your wallet address over here that supports bank withdrawal, and finally click on next, and you'll be able to withdraw from Metamask wallet successfully. So basically this is how you can withdraw from Metamask wallet app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.